This video is made for educational purpose only, with significant text commentary.
Stop the collection efforts. If you're facing liens, levies, and all wage garnishment or years of unpaid taxes, even if you're already in a payment plan.
박았어.
우리 뒤에?
씨. 와.
I wanted me to call you, but I said no, I'm not calling Cody.
Hold on, I gotta go.
Did you see that car accident?
Mobile app on your dashboard with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, on your TV with Chromecast, online at ksoj.com, on your smart speaker with the Alexa skill. It is so convenient. And of course, on your radio at 94.1 FM. Your
SOS call not successful. Call 911 because an emergency.
You run around.
Oh, police are already coming.
You have reached 911 emergency. Please stay on the line and your call will be answered.
Emergency video.
What did we do about Brandon?
Could have cleaned it.
Whoa! Fuck! Call 911.
Ay, fuck my ankle.
Fuck my
Somebody should have had your back. I tried, but I don't think so.
and traipsing around the forest at night with torches, sort of huddled under rain capes and things, looking for this creature. Actually, because it kept on pouring with rain. I mean, it was a rainforest. We used to have to keep on taking shelter in this strange hut, which was a deserted lighthouse keeper's hut, which had some of the most nauseating, I think, wildlife I've ever come across in it. We used to sort of hide in this place, sort of surrounded by these sort of grotesquely large spiders, which were actually eating cockroaches. And if you held quiet, you'd hear the little sort of crunching noise going on around you.
Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Police and medical at the corner of...
Okay, stay on the line. Do not hang up. I'll add medical to the call.
Okay.